Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, gang. What to do? Hold up, let me check if this camera. Yo, welcome back, gang. What's good, guys? It's your boy John back at you for another reaction video. If you guys are new here, consider dropping a like and subscribe. You know, this is a blind react, first time reaction type of channel. So if you guys are down for that, stay tuned. You know, you're gonna enjoy it. That's it. But we're about to react to Creedence Clearwater Revival. Have you seen the rain? That's it. First time reaction, blind react. We know nothing about these guys. All we know is somebody let us know that this song was good. That's all we know. That this song was good. Check it out and make a reaction. And that's what we about to do. And since it looked pretty good, it's back in the day. Like I said, that I do like some back in the day shit. So yeah, that's how it is. We about to react to the oldest one, 15 years ago. Damn, that was old. Alright, let's see. Let's check it out. I'm kind of fucking with it from the start. Like I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of enjoying the little B in the bag. You feel me? God damn. Have you seen the rain? That's just cool though. I'm kind of fucking with it. Alright, it's a quick reaction. It's just 2 minutes. It's a short song. You feel me? But it's lovely. I'm kind of fucking with it.
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop. I wonder.
You know what? For a reaction that was so reluctant to do, I was so against this reaction. Like I didn't want to make a reaction at all today, fam. I just wanted to chill since I just got back from work. But I'm glad I did this. It was kind of nice. I actually enjoyed it. What the fuck? This show was nice. I liked it. It was short but sweet. You feel me? A little some, cause I like back in the day reaction. Plus, I feel like that was country music, wasn't it? 'Cause that's the vibe I got from it. I kind of want to check this one out. Is this the official video? You know what? If it is, let me know in the comment section. I'll make another reaction to it. All right, y'all. Take care, man.